Admirals has been around for decades, offering MetaTrader with powerful analytics and an educational academy. But is it truly a broker you can trust with real money? Today, I'll break down the real numbers, walk you through a live test you must do before depositing, and explain exactly who should and shouldn't use Admirals. Welcome to Next Gen Traders community. Trade smart, leave bold. Your shortcut to mastering the markets starts now. This video is for educational purposes and not financial advice. Trading CFDs carries risk. You can lose money. Admirals is a veteran broker with multi-jurisdiction regulation, a huge focus on education, and strong MetaTrader infrastructure. They support MT4, MT5, and provide a special Supreme Edition plugin that adds advanced tools and analytics. Admirals markets itself as a broker that's safe, transparent, and suited for both traders and investors. In this review, we'll break down their products, platforms, account options, fees, deposit withdrawal behavior, trust, and customer experience. Plus, I'll tell you which traders benefit most from Admirals. Admirals offers a wide range of instruments including Forex majors and minors, indices, commodities like gold and oil, stocks, ETFs, and CFD versions of many of those. This gives traders good flexibility. You can run Forex strategies or use it as a multi-asset broker to trade equity CFDs. Their education and research resources make it easier for new traders to pick good instruments, but instrument availability can depend on your legal entity, so always check your account's symbol list. Admirals supports MT4 and MT5, both of which are enhanced with their proprietary Supreme Edition plugin that adds sentiment indicators, custom drawing tools, advanced analytics, and built-in alerts, things many brokers don't provide by default. If you use expert advisors or automated strategies, MT5 plus Supreme Edition is very powerful. For simpler charting, the standard MetaTrader interface is solid and trusted. Account types are structured around different trading styles: standard accounts, zero-style accounts, tight spreads plus commission, and sometimes more advanced/pro tier options depending on the region. The minimum deposit varies depending on the entity. For some regions, it's relatively low, but for advanced account types or certain legal entities, requirements can be higher. If you're a beginner, you can start relatively small. If you're a high-volume or professional trader, consider the more advanced zero or commission-based account to reduce trading costs. Here are the cost dynamics. On standard accounts, Admirals may charge no commission or very low and instead make money on the spreads. On their zero or raw style accounts, spreads can be very tight in favorable market conditions, but you pay a commission per trade. Real-world reviews show that their Forex spreads are quite competitive, especially on major pairs, but they are not always the absolute rawest for ultra-high frequency scalpers. Also note they may charge an inactivity fee if your account is dormant. This is the key trust check. 1. Complete full KYC, account verification. 2. Deposit a small amount, for example $20, $50 or whatever the local equivalent minimum is. 3. Immediately request a withdrawal of that same amount. 4. Track timestamps. When you deposited, when KYC was approved, when withdrawal was requested, when it processed, and when you received the funds. If the money returns in a few business days and there are no repeated document requests, it's a green flag. But if there are delays, repeated requests for the same KYC documents, or unexplained holdups, consider that a red flag. Admirals is regulated in several strong jurisdictions. They have FCA, UK, SISEC, EU, and other regulatory arms depending on the country. They claim to segregate client funds and offer protection based on entity terms. Because they've been around for many years and have strong regulatory coverage, their trust profile is relatively high. However, protection levels, like compensation schemes or leverage limits, differ by legal entity, so always check which Admirals legal company you are signing up with. Admirals is well known for great educational material, courses, webinars, articles, a zero-to-hero trading course, and live market analysis. On Trustpilot, many users praise the platform's responsiveness, educational value, and professionalism, but some complain about verification delays or withdrawal friction. My advice, open live chat before funding and ask these two things. Which Admiral's legal entity will hold my account? And how long do withdrawals take in my country? Their clarity and speed answering will tell you a lot. Admirals is a well-rounded, mature broker that is especially good for traders who value education, MetaTrader functionality, and trusted regulation. It is less ideal for ultra-high frequency or very advanced institutional-style trading because its raw spread zero accounts may not compete with pure ECN boutiques. My must-do, demo with MT5 Plus Supreme Edition, run that small deposit, withdrawal live test, and confirm exactly which Admiral's legal entity you're signing up under. If done right, Admirals is a very solid broker for serious retail and semi-pro traders.
Trading journey doesn't stop here.
Get free tutorials, market news, and trading signals on Telegram at NextGenTraders. Follow us on X.
And earn certificates at nextgentraders.com.
Need the right broker? Head to nextgenbrokers.com. Subscribe, like, and join the NextGen Traders community where traders grow together. Produced with AI video technology. Content is for educational purposes only. Subscribe for weekly market insights and trading mindset strategies.